Welcome to Cebu, the Queen City of the South. Cebu is a vibrant city with a rich history and culture. It is also home to some of the most beautiful beaches and waterfalls in the Philippines. Most popular tourist attractions in Cebu is the whale shark encounter in Oslo. Here, you can swim alongside these gentle giants in their natural habitat. Next, we head to the mountains to visit Inambakan Falls. This beautiful waterfall is surrounded by lush greenery and is a popular spot for swimming and picnicking. Another stunning waterfall in Cebu is Camba Falls. This waterfall is much smaller than Inambakan Falls, but it is just as beautiful. No trip to Cebu is complete without seeing Magellan's Cross. This historic landmark commemorates the arrival of Ferdinand and Magellan in the Philippines in 1521. If you're looking for something unique, you can go snorkeling with sardines in Cebu. The Sardine Shoal is one of the most popular diving spots in the Philippines. Cebu Cathedral is a beautiful church that is over 400 years old. It is a must-see for any visitor to Cebu. Boal Beach is one of the most popular beaches in Cebu. It is known for its white sand and crystal clear waters. Falls is another popular tourist attraction in Cebu. This waterfall is 100 meters tall and is one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the Philippines. Luzno Falls is a hidden gem in Cebu. This waterfall is not as well known as Montauban Falls, but it is just as beautiful. Cebu is also home to the endangered Capuchin monkey. These monkeys are found in the forests of Cebu and are a popular attraction for tourists. Kawasan Falls is one of the most famous waterfalls in the Philippines. It is located in the municipality of Bajan and is a popular destination for swimming, kayaking, and trekking. Dao Falls is another beautiful waterfall in Cebu. It is located in the municipality of Sibonga and is a popular spot for swimming and picnicking. Cebu is a place of waterfalls, beaches, history, and culture. It is a destination that will leave you with lasting memories.